Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is chapter number 3, Land of Pakistan, and my name is Rabi Iqbal. This is the map which is showing the physical features of Pakistan and the demarcation of the boundaries within the country and outside the country. Now, coming towards the physical features of Pakistan, Pakistan is comprised of mountainous region, plateaus, plains, deserts, and coastal area. And first, the foremost and the most important physical feature, mountains. Mountain ranges are divided into two parts in Pakistan. They are the northern mountains and western mountains. In northern mountains, we have Himalayan range, Karakoram range, and Hindu Kush range. Now, Himalayan range is further divided into three ranges, which is Shivalik range, Lesser Himalayas, or which we call Pir Panjal, and then Central Himalayas. Shivalik range is low in altitude, and it ranges from 600 to 1200 meters, and situated in the North Plain area of Punjab like Attak, Hazara and Rawalpindi, while Pir Panjal range is relatively higher than the Shivalik range, and it lies between 1800 to 4600 meters, and the areas included in it are Mansehra, Patgaram, Abbottabad, Galiat. And then comes the range of the highest mountains, which is called the Central Himalayas, and it includes the great mountains of the north with average height of 6000 meters, and Naga Parbat is the highest peak of it. Then coming towards the Karakoram range, it lies in the north of Himalaya, and average altitude is 6100 meter. K2 is the highest peak in Pakistan, and its height is 8611 meters, and there are different passes, important passes in this range. Then northwestern and western mountains. First, in north we are having Hindu Kush range, and then Kohe Safed, and in the coming towards Balochistan, we are having Suleiman range, and Waziristan is adjacent to it, and then Kirthar range. And Hindu Kush range is situated in Chitral and western part of Pakistan. Its highest peak name is Tijmer, and altitude is 7708 meters, and river Chitral also flows through it. Then coming towards Kohe Safed, its average altitude is 3600 meters. Sikaram is the highest peak, and Parachanar is a part of it. Waziristan range average altitude is 1500 to 3000 meters, and Miran Shawana are also included in this range. Then Suleiman range, it starts from the Gomal river, it's spread towards the east, and Takht Suleiman is the highest peak with 3845 meters. Then Kirthar range, it is located in the south of Kohe Suleiman, and it is actually located in the, it connects the Balochistan province with the Sindh province. And Dog's Grave is the highest peak with 2150 meters, and it separates the upper Indus plain from the lower Indus plain. Then plateaus, another important feature of the land are the plateaus. There are two plateaus in Pakistan. First one, Potohar Plateau, and second one is the Balochistan Plateau. Potohar Plateau is situated in the north of Islamabad between Indus and Jihlam River, and its height is from 300 to 600 meters. The river Sawan also flows through it, and there are different kind of minerals found in this piece of land like salt, gypsum, coal, limestone, and district Jihlam, Chakwal and Miawali is a part of it. Balochistan Plateau is relatively higher in altitude than Potohar Plateau, and its average altitude is 600 to 900 meters. It is situated in the northwest, and Chaghi, Siahan, Central Makran are a part of it. Then coming toward the plain areas are the flat land, and they are divided in Pakistan into upper Indus plain and the lower Indus plain. Hence it is related with the flow of, or the terrain of, the Indus river. So upper Indus plain lies in Punjab province, and river Indus and Panchnath flows through it, and its height is 400 to 1200 feet high, and it's spread from Shivalik range till Mithankot. Then lower Indus plain starts from the Mithankot till Arabian Sea, and its height decreases from 400 to 20 feet. So here the height is reducing because it is going towards the sea level, and it's spread to the river. The speed of the river is slowing down here, and it makes the delta at the area of Rann Kutch. Then deserts, they are the part of the plains, but they are different from the plains. They are covered with sand dunes, and they are having relatively low rainfall and scarcity of water. In Pakistan, as it is showing in the map, that we are having the Haran Desert, and then Cholistan, third desert, and these are the deserts which are located in Sindh, Punjab, Balochistan provinces. Then coastal areas, it starts from the Rann Kutch till Balochistan, and this is also shown on the map, and the length of this coast is 1046 kilometer, and Karachi, bin Qasim, Gwadar are important coasts of Pakistan. Thank you very much.